use Effect House, you need a TikTok ID. Effect House has selected some countries for creator rewards, whose list you see on the screen. To create Effect House ID for any of these countries, you must open Google Chrome, type tiktok.com into it, press login. A new window will open. Now below click on sign up. Click on the first tab, enter your details here. First enter your date of birth. Click on sign up with email. Now enter your email address. Then enter your password. Click below where Pakistan is written, scroll down and select the country you want to create an ID from here. After selecting, click on the send code. Now solve the puzzle that has appeared. Open the email ID that you have given. A verification code will be sent by TikTok to your email address. Copy from there and paste here. Click on the next button. In create username, write your username and after that you have to click on sign up. Your ID will be created. Let's go to the next step. Open Google Chrome. Type download Effect House in the Google search bar. Now click on the first link of Effect House. When it opens, see here there is an option of download on the top. And on the left side, there is also an option of download for window. Click on it. See the downloading will start. I have it already downloaded, so I am cancelling it. After downloading, you have to open it and install it. Locate and open the application. You will be prompted to log in with your TikTok account by scanning a unique QR code. Simply open the TikTok app on your device. Go to Profile, tap Add Friends and then tap the scanner icon. After you scan the QR code, you will be asked to authorize the QR code login from your phone by tapping Confirm. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home screen when you open Effect House. You can see here some tabs like Template, Create Project and Open Project. Now I am going to click Create Project to open up a brand new workspace and start creating effects. Once you click Create, you shall be directed to the Effect House workspace. The Effect House workspace is made up of a title bar and 7 different panels. I will tell you about workspace title bar and 7 different panels in next class, so stay tuned. Subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. And don't forget to press bell icon for new video notifications. See you in next class.